Evening, folks. We're live at 6:23 p.m. and we're battling for Brian's 77 back R5 fan favorite. 42 spots. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random. Copy them here. Paste them in here to find our winner. 42 of them. Good start. Here's our dice roll. Got to get at least a 5. We got an 11. We're in great shape for a Saturday night battle. Here we go. Shh. Salvador takes round 1. Adam 2. Matt Johnson in the top spot for round 3. Sam 4. Salvador 5 and 6. Adam Marks takes round 7 with number 4. Matt Johnson again on top. Alex takes round 9 with number 16. And number 10 with number 16, bringing us to the ever important final round. And if I can spell it, I'm going to wish y'all good luck and mean it. Here we go. Our winner is Sam Brooks, and at number 25. Congrats, Sam. Here's our verification code. LMAGYL. There's our results. Salmon at number 25 is the champ. I'm done. As the clock turns to 6:25 p.m. There it is. One more time, here's our results. Salmon at number 25 is the victor. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.